Understanding undo in Git.
Git allows you to manage and track changes in your code. But what if you make a mistake? Thankfully, Git provides powerful tools to help you undo changes safely. The main commands for this are Revert, Reset, and Checkout. Each command is designed for different scenarios, and knowing when to use them is key to protecting your work.
What does Git Revert do?
When you need to undo a commit without deleting it from history, use Git Revert. This command creates a new commit that undoes the changes from a previous commit. It's safe to use on shared branches because it never erases history. Use Revert to fix mistakes in already pushed commits while keeping a clear project history.
When to use Git Reset.
Git Reset changes the current branch's history. Use it when you want to remove specific commits. There are 3 modes. Soft keeps your changes staged, mixed unstages them, and hard deletes them permanently. Be careful. Hard reset erases commits and changes and should not be used on shared branches.
How Git Checkout can help.
Git Checkout lets you switch branches or restore files. If you want to undo changes in specific files, Checkout can reset them to their last committed state. This is useful for discarding local changes you don't want to keep. It doesn't affect the commit history, only your working files.
Choosing the right undo method.
Use Revert to fix mistakes in published history, Reset when you want to rewrite local history, and Checkout to undo changes in files before committing. Understanding these commands helps prevent accidental data loss and keeps your project history organized. Practice with each method to build confidence in handling mistakes safely in Git.